I saw a video from an influencer I genuinely admire. She's in her 40s and honestly, she looks incredible. But the comments below were a little bit brutal. They were talking about marriage, having kids. Some even suggested that she did surgery. Some told that real women don't age like this and so on. And she responded saying that marriage and kids are not the reason why women age badly, it's neglect. And I actually agree with her to an extent. Because, yes, many women stop prioritizing themselves. I was also a person like that. Not because they don't care, but because survival starts taking priority over self care. But I also think there's another layer to this conversation that most people ignore. Aging is not just about marriage, not just about kids, not just about skincare. It's also about the mental load, stress, economic status, support systems, and the life you're carrying every single day. Two women can be both 42. One may have children, but also have a supportive partner, domestic help, financial stability, time to sleep, time to work out, time to breathe. The other may not even have kids, but could be carrying anxiety, burnout, financial pressure, caregiving stress, emotional trauma, and even loneliness for years. Stress changes the body, cortisol changes the skin, sleep deprivation changes the face, mental exhaustion shows up physically. And privilege affects beauty more than people want to admit. It's easier to eat blueberries and oatmeal every morning when your budget allows it. It's easier to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours when you're not rushing between cooking, commuting, caregiving, and work. It's a fact. It's easier to age gracefully when life itself is softer on you and you have the economic status. And this is not to dismiss women who take care of themselves. You absolutely should. Wanting to look younger, completely okay. I have been mocked by many people saying that I look older than my age. But that's fine because I know what I've been through and I know how much effort it took for me to come back. Those people don't know what I've been through, so let them blabber. Investing in skincare, fitness procedures, also your choice. But I think we need to stop turning beauty into morality. Looking young doesn't make someone superior. Looking tired doesn't make someone failed. Sometimes it's simply, what life you had to go through and survive. So, yes, take care of yourself, improve what you can, feel beautiful, but most of all, value yourself and what you've been through. But also remember, a woman's worth was never supposed to peak at how young she looks. It's about how you see yourself inside out.